Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. I'm out here in Crofton, Maryland today with one of my foremen, Felix. How are you? We're performing a VIP. We're going to upgrade all the lawn sprinkler components. This is existing systems in here a long time. We did not originally install it, but Felix has already got the controller installed. Let's take a look at that. So he's replaced the existing controller with a Wi-Fi enabled lawn sprinkler controller. As soon as he finishes here, he's going to link up to the new wireless rain sensor on the exterior side of the house. Him and his crew were working on upgrading all the lawn sprinklers, all the rotors, all the sprays, all new nozzles. The customer will be able to control this controller from anywhere in the world because it's Wi-Fi enabled. So he can dial in from wherever he's at. He might be on vacation, maybe a business trip. We can program this with BWI weather station, and then we'll turn this property into its own weather station. So if we know we got upcoming rain scheduled to come here, the controller will be smart enough to turn itself off. The same thing with the temperatures. So if it gets below 55 degrees in the fall and you don't want water on, or 45, get closer to freezing, we can program this so it doesn't water on those cool October, November mornings before we winterize it. So if you need your lawn sprinkler upgraded, it's more than 7 years old, it's time the components to wear out, the nozzles and all, you need us to come out and give you a free evaluation. Give us a call at the office at 410-721-2342. Hit the link below for more information. The quote is free. Be glad to come out and take a look at your lawn sprinkler system.